is a plant in the allium and onion family. Each segment of a garlic bulb is called a clove. It's a popular ingredient in cooking due to its strong smell and delicious taste. Throughout ancient history, the main use of garlic was for its health and medicinal properties. Most of garlic's health benefits are caused by sulfur compounds like allicin. It's also rich in vitamin C, vitamin B6 and manganese. The benefits of garlic include boosted immunity, cholesterol control, blood pressure control, improved bone health, detoxification and brain health. Garlic boosts and strengthens the immune system. Garlic may help prevent and reduce the severity of illnesses like the flu and common cold. Garlic improves cholesterol levels, which may lower the risk of heart disease. Garlic appears to lower LDL but has no reliable effect on HDL. The active compounds in garlic can reduce blood pressure. Supplement doses must be fairly high to have the desired effects. The amount needed is equivalent to about 4 cloves of garlic per day. Garlic appears to have some benefits for bone health by increasing estrogen levels in females. Eating garlic may help detoxify heavy metals in the body. At high doses, the sulfur compounds in garlic have been shown to protect against organ damage from heavy metal toxicity. Garlic contains antioxidants that may help prevent Alzheimer's disease and dementia. The antioxidants can help protect against cell damage and aging.